Okay, today I wanted to talk about some unique unisex Christmas names, I guess you could say, or you can use them both genders. I'm getting tongue-tied here. The first one is Neve, and it means snow. I think Neve is beautiful. And the next name is Snow. Snow for snow. Then there is Emmanuel. I've heard that on boy or girl. Then there is Cedar, Barry. I think that is really cute. Let me know what you think about these names and if you would use them on a baby born during Christmas. Some different ideas. Thank you for watching. Bye.